Have you ever wondered how much companies spend on their marketing campaigns? In the world of business, there's a shroud of mystery that hangs over the realm of marketing budgets. Companies pour millions, even billions, into crafting the perfect campaigns to catch your attention. Yet, the exact figures behind these grand marketing strategies often remain hidden from public view. Why is there such secrecy? The reasons are manifold. Companies thrive on competitive advantage, and their marketing budgets are part of their secret sauce. Disclosing these numbers might provide competitors with insights into their strategies and planning. Furthermore, these figures are often closely tied to a company's strategic planning, revealing more than just the cost of a TV spot or a social media blitz. It's a world of high stakes and poker faces, where revealing your hand could mean losing the game. But what if this veil of secrecy was lifted? What if companies were required to disclose their marketing budgets? Imagine a world where companies disclose their marketing budgets. Transparency like this could revolutionize the marketing industry and the way we do business. It could potentially level the playing field, allowing small businesses to better compete with industry giants. Knowing exactly how much a competitor invests in marketing might just inspire a small business to step up their own game, sparking innovation and growth. On the other hand, this openness could also ignite a marketing arms race, with companies feeling the pressure to spend more just to keep up. But with this potential downside comes an upside. Greater transparency could boost consumer trust. When a company is open about its marketing spend, it shows a commitment to honesty and integrity. It's a shift that could redefine the relationship between businesses and consumers, fostering a culture of openness and trust. The effects of such transparency could be far-reaching and transformative. So, we've explored a world where companies disclose their marketing budgets. Let's recap. We've delved into the current culture of secrecy surrounding marketing budgets. Companies often keep these figures under wraps, fostering an environment of mystery and speculation. But what if that all changed? We've considered the potential ripple effects of this transparency. On one hand, it could level the playing field, allowing smaller companies to strategize more effectively. On the other hand, it might stoke the fires of competition, as companies strive to outdo each other in spending. We've also pondered the potential impact on consumer trust. Could knowing a company's marketing spend make consumers more discerning or skeptical? Or would it foster a deeper sense of connection, knowing that a brand is investing heavily in reaching out to them? While the future of marketing budget disclosure remains uncertain, one thing is clear: transparency could shake up the industry in ways we can only begin to imagine.